stole it. I'm a thief. Oops. You wouldn't copy that playlist, would you? Yes. Fuck. Anyway, so, gamers, you guys ready? I am. Oh man, I'm so excited for this. So, I don't fully remember where we left off last time. I saw that when I loaded it up earlier, a second ago, I was dead. Not a second ago, more like an hour ago, but yeah, I was dead. That was a shame. I do hate that. You hate to see it. Oh boy. Alright. Now's not the time to be dad. You guys ready for puzzles? I sure am. Thanks, Sebastian, Aaron. I'm sorry, Aaron.
Now's not the time to be dead.
I don't remember what the hell this was. Was this bombs? Were we Iceland? I think this was Ice Place. And we were having a horrible time. I could be mistaken. Thank you, Lupanics. Bombs. Okay.
Alright, I got it.
Oh. I remember. Okay. Hold on. This one does. Alright. Oh, remember, by the way, I don't like death counters. Only ice death counters, okay?
Now's not the time to be dead. Alright, I got it.
Alright, time to remember exactly what I did before. It was still so recent that I'm still here mentally, and I have a general idea of what I've done. Wait, I could have gotten that first.
Alright, I got it.
Okay, I believe... No, I didn't even need that in the end. Okay, if I recall properly, here is where I started the chain of events. Wait. Yeah, I didn't like that at all. So... Well, I fucked that up.
How's this?
You know what? It'll have to do. It wasn't very good, but it was something. Grab this.
Alright, I got it.
Okay. I think I could have done that way smoother. That's okay.
Alright, I got it.
Not the end of the world. No. Oh, I couldn't get up there because... Okay. You got me there, you... Snapple. Happy birthday, Snake. Happy birthday. That's why my thumb hurts. Okay. I was wondering. So, all of today, I was thinking to myself, why does the tip of my left thumb feel like it got burned or something? But it doesn't, like, sting. It just has that, like, burnt numbness feel, kind of. But it's because I keep pressing so hard into the D-pad when I play this goddamn game.
Now's not the time to
And
be
it was
dead.
from yesterday's 7-hour session of this. Oh god.
Alright, I got it.
Definitely getting crushed this level today. I feel confident. It's all about just getting back into, just as Sayonara Wild Hearts taught us, chat.
Alright, I got it.
We just gotta get back and fall into our groove. that was dumb.
Undo. Undo. Edge.
Right, I got it.
Edge. Edge.
I got it.
Edge.
I got it. Yeah! I'll get you!
All right. I don't fully recall how I did this.
Undo.
Shucks.
Right, I got it. I can't die here.
Undo.
Shit, what am I gonna do? I can't die here.
Shit, this is really awkward.
What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do?
I think you might have to die, my man.
Undo.
Crap. I gotta fall back into my groove. I'm out of my groove.
Undo.
This ain't a groove at all. Alright.
Undo.
Can't do much in there. Winry Elric is still dead down there.
Just calm down.
That's a nice death.
May you rest in
Alright.
peace, oh man.
Now's not
Get
the
yourself a
time.
new
Yeah.
groove? Oh man, okay.
Right, I got it.
I mean, I guess it's better than new clothes.
Right, I got it.
Alright, this time I'm gonna try something, chat. I'm gonna try to optimize things.
Undo. Undo. Undo.
By messing them up worse than they already are.
Undo. 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 Undo.
Commit to the...
Undo. Undo.
Oh.
Undo. 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 Undo.
Oh, I forgot to do it. Well, I hope that doesn't come back and bite me in the keister. I have a feeling it just might. Oh.
Undo. Undo.
How's this?
Well, I do believe I have definitely hecked my chances here. At least a small bit.
Undo. Undo.
How you be like that, though?
Undo. Edge. Undo. Undo.
I might need to just... Nope.
Undo.
Nope.
Undo.
Perfect. Yeah, let's
Peace.
Now's not the time to be dead.
you ever seen that one original, the freaking, when they first made the Xbox, not the Bone, I'm sorry. But when they first made it, they wanted to make a mascot that wasn't Master Chief. It was called Blinks the Cat. He had time powers. I wish I was Blinks the Cat sometimes.
Got it.
Undo.
this?
We're just gonna ring it there. It's too stupid to do anything else. And this way we can keep most of our things.
I got it. Alright, I got it.
Okay.
Out of the way! I remember, dear.
Alright, let's see if we can do this today.
Undo.
Alright, I got it.
Undo. Undo. Undo.
I know I can do this better than what I'm doing. Okay, this way. Down! I was pressing down! I was totally doing it too! No! Alright, I finally get what to do there with my brain.
Now's not the time to be dead.
Okay.
Alright, I got it.
Undo.
Oh no. Let's just run away from that problem.
May you rest in peace.
Now's not the time to be dead.
Dark blocks can be moved?
Whoa.
That's true,
Alright, I
they're
got
just
it.
slow. It's the face ones that can't be moved. What? Oh, right.
Alright, I got it.
Okay. Take, I don't know. What attempt is this?
Undo. 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 Undo.
How's this? I got it. Alright, I got it.
Come here. Thank you. Alright.
Alright, I got it.
Down. I literally was saying down before I went there. So you knew if it did it,
Now's not
it was
the
a
time
problem.
to be dead. Whoa. Alright, I got it.
You know what? I think I just do this. Yeah.
Got it.
Undo.
Alright, I got it.
Right, I'm just running away from my problems. What can I do to keep going, picking myself up?
Undo. Undo. Undo.
One sec.
Undo. Undo. Undo.
What can I do? Keep going, picking myself up. Can you motivate me? Dude, yes. You know what you gotta do? I don't know. I'm so sorry. I have no idea. I have no idea. I'm so sorry. But,
Undo.
give it a shot, dude.
How's this?
I believe in you. Purely because
I got it.
I somehow read your text out of all the text right now in the middle of this crazy freaking map. And that in and of itself is a goddamn miracle. Alright, left and right then. Okay, that seems to be safest.
With this?
Okay. Honestly, let's just go this way. Alright, left and right then? Oh. Never mind, that way wasn't that good apparently.
What am I gonna do?
Undo. Undo. Edge.
Oh no.
Undo. Undo.
What have I done to myself? Just go this way, dude. Thank you, dude. Wait, dude.
Undo.
I mean, I could make a platform, dude. If I really wanted to. I might have to, dude. Alright, we're gonna do that, dude.
Edge. Edge.
Don't break
Undo.
things. You're breaking it again.
Undo. Edge.
Shit, what am I gonna do?
Undo. Undo. Edge. 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 Undo. Edge. Undo.
I gotta...
Undo. Edge. Undo. Edge.
I can't die
Okay.
here.
Edge.
Nope.
Undo. Edge.
Do it here, so then...
Get you! Alright.
Undo. Edge.
Or can I just lure him down? God,
Undo.
alright, maybe I should do there.
Edge.
I just... Come on, Doc.
Edge.
Thank you.
Remember this?
Nope. That's the problem.
Undo.
Ah, shit, I really don't want to make a mistake. Alright, I have to make a problem here. Alright, fuck it.
Undo.
Wait,
Undo.
don't do that.
Edge. Undo. Edge. Edge. Undo. Edge. Undo. Undo.
Wait, I just undone the checkpoint. Get.
Undo. Edge.
Just get it. I got the checkpoint, it's fine.
Edge.
Now that we have the checkpoint, we just die.
Now's not the time to be dead.
Yes, thank God! No, they're still going off?
Edge.
Uh-oh.
Edge.
I can't die
Undo.
here.
Edge.
Run. Oh, fuck. Hope that's okay.
Undo.
Wait, you know what? Just do it twice.
Undo. Undo.
There we go. Whew. Alright, buddy. Down.
Get
Okay.
out of here! Right?
What?
Undo. Undo.
Oh, wait.
Edge. 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 Edge.
Right?
Edge.
Oh, I see.
Undo. Undo. Edge.
Can I drop? Nope. Okay. I was gonna try to drop and run up again, but nope, there was no floor there. Cry, you hurt me sometimes?
Now's not the time to be dead.
Edge.
I'm sorry.
Edge. Edge.
Oh my god. Why was I making that so hard?
Edge. Undo. Undo. Edge. Edge. Edge.
Right, I got it.
Edge.
Springboard.
Edge. Edge.
Alright, I got it.
If only.
Undo. Edge. Undo.
Ah, okay.
Edge. Edge. Edge.
Alright, I got it. Alright, I got it.
Edge. Edge.
Get it.
Edge.
There you go.
Alright, I got it.
Undo. Edge. Edge.
I made it! Here I go!
Good hustle, gamers.
The dexterity is impressive.
Damn right it is.
Entertaining.
Only real gamers get bronze all day. Cry Wobbles on BTTV. North, could you link the URL for that in chat, please? And I'll just enable it through there. I save after I talk to all the sheep, by the way.
I have another reason to live now. I want to see that piano player again. I have to keep climbing.
Aww. Ren, you're doing a great job. Thanks, buddy.
I made it because of you. Thank you.
Promise me that you'll make it to the next level too.
God, it's
Pretty
so...
popular now, huh?
I'm finally able to play the way I want to play. I think it's because you accepted me
It'll
for
be
who I
enabled
am,
soon.
Vincent.
Really?
Oh yeah, I got a
I'm
pause
reading
alerts,
my
I'm sorry.
memories, but I'm also scared.
Scared of what?
What if I get my memories back and I discover something about myself I didn't know existed?
Don't worry, Ren. You are you, no matter what, right?
Your words always give me courage, Vincent.
Darn right they do.
Questions we're being asked in the confession were supposed to judge our lives, right?
That's what I've been told. Those questions sure are strange.
I feel like I should be picking the right answer, not what I'm honestly feeling. How have you been answering?
I feel like he'd know if I was lying, so I'm just going with how I really feel.
What? Seriously? He asked me if men who want to cheat on their spouses are pathetic or praiseworthy. And since I think that men who bind themselves to one woman forever are boring and have no lives, I thought praiseworthy would be the right answer.
What?
I wish there were questions with definite answers, like, when's your birthday?
When is it, dog? What? What?
Tonight's
What you got, dog?
pony up some
Oh,
coins.
I'm sorry. Sheep.
Tonight's product is
Bells turn nearby blocks into normal blocks.
Drink!
Drinks enable you to jump 2 blocks into the air.
Oh, I do freaking love me a
Give me
good
this one.
man's.
a smart choice.
Thanks, gamer.
That voice! It was my wife! You traitor! I'll kill you! That's what she said! I cheated on her, so she cursed me.
Seriously?
That's some rough. Can you buy both? I believe you can only have one item. I'm pretty sure, and it would just replace the one you have.
I didn't mean to. I mean, she asked me first. I can't believe this is happening to me.
I like how even if I'm like almost positive with things, I still sound so unsure of things that I say half the time.
Anna. I climb and climb, but I keep seeing Anna's face. I'm constantly hurting the one person that I love. Why am I alive? Why was I even born?
Hey, are you alright?
True freedom. That's the only chance I have left.
What does the pillow do? The pillow gives you another undo charge. So, at the beginning you only have one undo, and then if you get a pillow, you get 2 undos. It's pretty neat.
True freedom. That's the only chance I have left.
At least in hard mode it is. I believe in normal mode they're just score? I could be mistaken. I think I remember years ago when I played the normal Catherine, that it mentioned that pillows in hard mode do that or something. What?
I see you're safe.
Yeah.
Let's talk about our techniques. We've all got to keep climbing.
Wait.
Yeah, let's work together and get out alive.
This technique just hit me.
Allow me to explain timber.
Uh-huh.
If you want to drop an entire wall, leave a supporting block and push out all the rest.
Oh.
Then push the supporting block and the wall will all fall down in one piece.
That's actually really smart. I never thought about that.
Don't you think it's useful?
Oh, I just had an idea. What do you think of this?
Allow me to explain controlled explosion. Bomb blocks are hazards that turn blocks around them into cracked blocks.
Yeah, because they're rude.
Heavy blocks and immovable blocks can't be destroyed, so you can rely on them in areas that have bombs.
That's just inspired. What a great idea.
Oh man, I wish I'd thought of that.
Not bad.
Not bad.
I'm glad you're safe. We're almost halfway there. I feel like we can make it if we keep sticking together and talk things through.
I agree. Talking things through is very important, Shep.
Learning techniques. Climbing like there's no tomorrow. Is there really any meaning to life?
Did you know this? Male bees effectively eviscerate themselves when mating with a queen bee.
Oh.
Male praying mantises approach females knowing that they'll be eaten.
Are you trying to say that men only exist just to have sex? That's stupid. Brainy talk.
From a human's point of view, it might be pathetic, but the animal kingdom has its own way of seeing things.
Huh?
He's trying to say that what you live for is all up to you. Smart guys have their own ways to cheer you up.
Yeesh.
Now that I'm used to it, I don't really care that everyone looks like a sheep. It's what's inside that counts, yeah?
Yeah.
We've lost a lot of sheep, but I'm not gonna give up. I've gotta keep going. For those who didn't make it.
Yeah.
You made it. What, did you think I'd die here?
No, that's not what I...
What would you say to a friend if you found out that he was a billionaire?
Why isn't there just well, that's cool option? I don't want to be envious. Also, I don't know why that would have been a thing, why they didn't have to say so. This isn't fair. I'm pissed. Well, I guess this is the lesser of evils.
I'd be a little disappointed he didn't tell me. As if he didn't trust me. And I guess I just say...
No! You wouldn't!
And? Would you ask him for money?
He's a friend, right? Even I wouldn't do that.
That's what everyone says at first. Then they reveal their true colors. I'm an oil baron, you see. I was born into wealth. I have over 1,000 servants and at least 100 cooks, like Mr. Scarf.
For real?
Money corrupts the heart. It's sad, but it's true.
Yup.
There was a man who asked me for money once. He's dead now.
Jesus!
He used the money to buy a fancy car and was killed by a
Oh, I thought you killed him.
Now go. I want to deter you from asking me for money if possible. I'm sorry to say this, but please, stop speaking with me.
I mean, he does make a valid point that people